Namaste. We believe that the students must learn to think not only about themselves, but they must think about a larger gain for society. They should be thankful to their parents, to their teachers, to the environment, to their nation, and to the universe for the great benefits that each one of them has given them. And in this context, what could be better than the concept of indulging the students in projects related to service learning? Service learning provides students with opportunities to develop their civic engagement skills. Children not only they take interest in their academic learning, but also they learn to grow beyond the textbooks and they learn for real life. The personal and interpersonal development that takes place through the incorporation of service learning concepts.
Service learning is an educational approach where a student learns theories in the classroom and at the same time volunteers and apply and applies it at the same time so that they can deepen their understanding of what has been taught to them. A very warm good morning to one and all present here. I'm Shora Saxena, the group leader of Group 6 of Class 9th I, and today my group is going to present on the topic Hamara Puratatva, Hamara Gaurav, which means our archaeology, our pride. So initially, we are going to tell you about about history of Charminar and architecture of Telangana, history of Charminar and Telangana, architecture of Charminar, and a bit about its geometric principle. But at the end, we are going to explain you about how we are going to conserve the monument which we have adopted. So my group members are Shauravi Dhankar, Shivin Sachdeva, Shubh Sachdeva, Shreyasi Nath, and Taksh Gupta. There is the work done by the following fellow of my group members. Acknowledgement. We would like to express our special thanks of gratitude towards our principal, Miss R.T. Chopra ma'am, for encouragement and motivation in doing such social service projects. And we'd also like to extend our special thanks of gratitude towards our teachers for their support and guidance in this project.
Learning objectives, information about Charminar and Telangana, architecture of Charminar and its geometrical principles, importance of conservation of the monument.
The learning outcome of the day is students will understand the architecture of Charminar and its relation between the geometrical principle. They will learn more about Charminar and Telangana. They will understand the conservation of monuments.
Information about Telangana. Telangana, also spelled as Telangana or Telangana, constituent state of South Central India, capital of both Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, is Hyderabad, in West Central Telangana.
Information about Charminar. The Charminar, constructed in 1591, is a monument and a mosque in Hyderabad, Telangana. It is known for the local and busy surrounded by the structure and has become one of the most frequent tourist attraction in Hyderabad.
Architecture of Charminar. Charminar, constructed in 1591, is a monument and mosque located in Hyderabad. The landmark has become known globally as a symbol of Hyderabad and is listed amongst the most recognized structures in India. Charminar Masjid is a square structure with each side being 20 meters long. Each of four sides has one of four grand arches, each facing a fundamental point that open directly into a street in front of it. Unlike the minarets of Taj Mahal, Charminar four fluted minarets are built into the main structure.
How can we relate Charminar with maths? If experts are to believed, a lot of mathematical reasoning and geometrical combinations has gone into the construction of this monument. It is interesting to understand how the number 4 and its multiples can be figured out in designing Charminar. There are 4 arcs, small arcs on each side, and the main arc is also 4. Each minar is then divided into 4 parts. The number of galleries found at different levels is 4. The number of arcs which are built in 4 directions to enter the monument is also 4. And not to forget, Muhammad Quli Shah, who built this monument, was the fourth Qutub Shahi king. The structure truly lives upon its name, Charminar.
The problems we face when we visit Charminar. Dogs been attracted towards the monument because of the waste and garbage disposed of by people around the monument, not being able to breathe clean air because of lack of plant growth around the monument, and also the monument does not look beautiful because of the lack of plant growth. Now we are going to show a video on how we can conserve Charminar.
Hello, my name is Revshinath from
Ma'am, is the video audible?
It is.
class 9th I. Today I'm going to explain about how can we conserve Charminar. Taking special steps for keeping the surrounding of the historic monument of Charminar so as to ensure an ideal atmosphere and condition for the benefit of the visitors. We can have 2 dustbins for each street vendor near Charminar so as to ensure that its surroundings remain clean, besides creating awareness among them on the need for maintaining cleanliness. It has appointed a sanitation worker for 20 to 30 street vendors, mainly in the areas of Pathargarh.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Hello, my name is Revshinath them on the need for maintaining cleanliness. It has appointed a sanitation worker for 20 to 30 street vendors, mainly in the areas of Pathargati, Sharibanda, Lad Bazaar, and so on, to make sure that no garbage is thrown on the road. We can make plants near it so that the Charminar becomes more beautiful and pleasant. Increasing dogs, maze, and mounting piles of garbage in and around the historical Charminar is not only upsetting traders but is also leaving many tourists and visitors apprehensive. As stray dogs roam around Charminar in search of food, canines should be sterilized and put in a shelter. These are the points of keeping safe and how to make the environment beautiful and clean about Charminar. Not only Charminar, even other monuments too.
Survey results. So, our group had recently conducted a survey related to the conservation of monument. The first question asked was that do you think that monuments should be conserved? So, 7 people have said yes, 1 person has said no. Second question asked was are you planning to conserve a monument that you visit in the coming future? 4 people have said yes, 1 person has said no, and 3 people have said maybe. And the third question asked was, have you ever conserved a monument? 2 people have said yes, and 6 people have said no. And the last question asked was that can you suggest some ways by which we can conserve the monuments? So here are the following responses. By not vandalizing it, prevent people from buying that land so that where the monument is located, and not renovating it or breaking it. We can conserve monuments like cleanliness, feeding street dogs and putting in a shelter, planting more trees to make the environment happy and pleasant. We can give food and money to beggars, clean the boundaries of the monument by keeping the surroundings of the monument clean, put up awareness campaign to educate the community, and also chemical preservation. Future plans of service learning. The monument adopted by Group 6 is Qutub Minar of Delhi, and in order to conserve it, we have taken the following initiatives. Number 1, organizing plantation drive. We have recently observed that around the monument there is lack of plant growth because of which we are not able to breathe clean air and the monument does not look beautiful. So we have taken the responsibility to ensure that there is proper growth of plants around the monument so that the monument looks pleasant. Second, keeping the surroundings of the monument clean. As we have also observed that the that many tourists or people who visit the monument litter garbage here and there. So we have also taken the initiative to ensure the cleanliness around the monument. Third, educating the children living around the monument, as many poor children live around the monument, and so they also have the right to be educated, and they should learn more about the history of Qutub Minar and also learn the importance of its conservation. Four, keeping the canines of the dogs sterilized and provide them in shelter. As many of you have observed that many dogs come around the monument in search of food because of the garbage disposed of by people. So hence, we have also taken the initiative to keep the canines of the dogs sterilized and provide them with proper food and shelter. 5. Keeping two garbage disposal blue boxes, one blue and one green, that is biodegradable and non-biodegradable. As many of you have also observed that many tourists and people throw garbage here and there, which makes the monument and sound very unpleasant. So hence, we have also taken the initiative to keep two garbage disposal boxes so that a person can throw their garbage in those boxes only. Thank you.